Hello YouTube. This is the infamous Phoenix. He's crazy. Say, I'm 3 years old. I'm spunky. I talk a lot. I whine a lot. I'm very spoiled. I'm mommy's favorite. I'm tiny. It's probably no more than like 4 or 5 pounds. I'm obsessed with my mom, but when she picks me up, I act like I don't like her.
He has a mom.
He just begged me to come on this car ride, literally. See the last video. But yeah, this is Phoenix. See, he doesn't really like to be carried and loved on. But he loves me and I love him too. Yeah.